How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make your MSI monitor 144Hz on PS5. Now, off the get-go, I must tell you that PS5 only supports up to 120Hz of display, but of course, it's going to be close, so you could use 120 instead. Before we start, make sure that you are using a DisplayPort. Basically, it will unlock those higher refresh rate. If you're using something like an HDMI, it can also work, but of course, once again, DisplayPort will provide you with much better results. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the OSD controls of your MSI, which is going to be this one, and make sure that it is unlocked for the FPS. Basically, there's a lot of MSI monitors out there, so you just want to go ahead and configure the OSD setting. Most likely it's going to be a joystick right behind the actual monitor, and from there you can edit out all sorts of settings including FPS. From there, head over to the screen and video settings for PS5, video output, and then we have the enable 120Hz output. Basically, it uses 120Hz video output for games that supports this frame rate here. If you experience video output problems with games, you want to go ahead and turn this setting off. But there's another setting that we need to configure before it is finished, and that's going to be the performance mode or resolution mode for your PS5. Prioritize performance or image quality. Select performance mode for higher frame rates, or resolution mode for higher graphic quality. I highly suggest that you use performance mode if you want to keep hitting those 120Hz output. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.